respected chief guest of the evening, Vidushi Srimati Aruna Sairam, Dr. Padma Subramaniam, other dignitaries, students, and distinguished members of the audience. On behalf of the IMCTF, Initiative for Moral and Cultural Training Foundation, and HSSF, Hindu Spiritual and Service Foundation, I take great pleasure in welcoming you all to this Bharatiya Ganathon, a thematic mass singing exclusively by girl students. I think a big hand can be given for this one-of-its-kind event. This program is dedicated to Bharat Ratna Dr. M.S. Subbulakshmi in commemoration of her 100th birth anniversary year. In the Indian tradition, music has been a great vehicle of transformation of human life and for formation and reformation of character. Music has a deep impact on all creatures as well. Bharatiya Ganathon, which is going to happen today, is one of the curtain raiser programs of the 8th Hindu Spiritual and Service Fair, which opens on 2nd August in the same venue of the A.M. Jain College. This Ganathon turns music into a vehicle for expounding and imparting the 6 themes of conserve forest and protect wildlife, preserve ecology, sustain environment, inculcate family and human values, fostering women's honor, and instill patriotism. It aims to penetrate the values of these themes in the singer and the listener through the wonderful medium of music. It also unravels the inner integrity of music, which is uniting human beings and also connecting them to nature. We are extremely honored by the presence of Dr. Padma Subramaniam, chairperson of the reception committee here today, who will be giving the welcome address. Dr. Padma is a maestro, a legend who has been instrumental in spreading the glory of Indian dance, art, and culture worldwide. She is a rare combination of a dancer, scholar, choreographer, teacher, music composer, Indologist, and the director of Nrityodaya Dance School. Dr. Padma has given performances all over the globe, and she is the recipient of numerous awards, including the Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, Sangeet Natak Academy Award from the Government of India. She has also received the prestigious Fukuokawa Asian Cultural Prize from Japan for her contribution to development and harmony in Asia. May now request legendary dancer Dr. Padma Subramaniam to deliver the welcome address.
Sadgurubhyo Namaha. Please repeat that. Sadgurubhyo Namaha. As the chairperson of the reception committee, connected with the Hindu Spiritual and Service Fair, it's my proud privilege to deliver the welcome address. Let me first welcome the chief guest for this evening, Srimati Aruna Sairam. She is a world-renowned artist, and she is also the vice chairperson of the Sangeet Natak Academy in New Delhi. It's my pleasant duty to welcome Shri S. Gurumurthy, the intellect behind the entire Hindu Spiritual and Service Fair. Is he here? I request him to come on the stage, please. Please come and occupy the chair. He's such a self-effacing personality. but a silent intellectual dynamite. Let me express my warm welcome to, I don't know if Mr. Gopal Srinivasan is here, chairperson, and other members of the organizing committee, members of the reception committee, the kind and understanding authorities of A.M. Jain College, where this event is taking place, corporate sponsors, print and visual media partners, official patrons, the 11,000 Gana Saraswatis who have assembled here. You will be filling the air with auspicious musical vibrations. I also welcome the representatives of the colleges from where you have all come. A warm welcome to Ishai Marale Sri Ramji, who has spearheaded this Bharatiya Ganathon. Dr. Radha Bhaskar, who has slogged to make this ensemble possible. I also welcome the indefatigable Srimati Rajalakshmi Ravi Krishnan, who has not slept for weeks together, and her tireless volunteers who made this group mega events possible, and also the able technicians, friends who have assembled here, and all of you around the world who are watching this historic event through live streaming. Thanks to Sri S.B. Kantan for the coverage, and Sri K.S. Sudhakar of Swati Soft Solutions for the live webcast through kalakendra.com. Let me say with folded palms a suswagatam to all of you. The 8th Hindu Spiritual and Service Fair will be on from 2nd to 8th August. In this very venue, this Ganathon is one of the events conducted as a preamble. A few days, nearly 11,000 boys took part in Sri Krishna Yogathon in this ground. Here is the Bharatiya Ganathon dedicated to our loving and respectful memory of Bharat Ratna Srimati M.S. Subbulakshmi as part of her centenary celebrations. She was a symbol of culture with bhakti for Devam and Desham, and also for divinity in human form, Pujya Shri Kanchi Mahaswami. Other events of the preamble will be as follows. Tomorrow at 4 p.m. there will be a puja for Swami Vivekananda Ratha at Kapalishwara Temple. On the 25th, these Rathas will visit several schools. 30th will be the Swami Vivekananda Walkathon with 20,000 students dressed as Swami Vivekananda himself at 8 a.m. on the Marina Beach. August 2nd, we'll see the Ganga Kaveri Kalash Yatra by the Rajasthani women as a preamble to the inaugural function. The inauguration of the fair will be solemnized by great spiritual personalities from Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, and Jain faiths. The Hindu Spiritual and Service Fair demonstrates that Hindu spiritualism and lifestyle is based on the principle of Ishavasyamidam Sarvam and explained as 6 themes. Dr. Radha Bhaskar has already enlisted these for you, but I'll tell you the significance of these events. Ganga and Bhumi Vandanam is meant for the sustenance of the environment. Acharya Vandanam to inculcate family and human values. Kanya Vandanam to foster women's honor. Go, Gaja and Tulasi Vandanam to preserve ecology, Bharat Mata Vandanam to instill patriotism, Vriksha and Naga Vandanam to conserve forest and wildlife. The fair has about 400 spiritual organizations showcasing their social and spiritual service and how crores of people are benefited. Now I have a duty to hereby now briefly give you the background and the logistics of this mega musical evening. This event was conceived by our advisor, Shri S. Gurumurthy. And spearheaded by Srimati Rajalakshmi Ravi. Ishai Marle Ramji has made this event possible. He has been working very hard for every aspect of this function from A to Z. Ramji is a well-known personality in the field of creating interest for Carnatic music in the younger generation. He has been awarded the prestigious Cleveland Tyagaraja Festival Award from United States of America for his service to the cause of fostering and sustaining cultural values among the children. His Ishai Marle children, all of you here, many of you, have not only been performing in our important festivals, but some of them have been also taking part in the music recordings of no less a person than Sri A.R. Rahman. Dr. Radha Bhaskar, who is a lovely singer, musicologist, and festival organizer, was of great help in the initial recording of the songs that was distributed for learning. She took a major responsibility in giving them rehearsals as well. She'll be anchoring and conducting this mega musical event and convey how the songs were chosen in various languages to suit the theme of the fair. The team on the stage who lead the singers are mostly from Ishai Marle. I leave it to Dr. Radha Bhaskar to introduce all of them. I have pleasure in mentioning that Kumari Uttara Unni Krishnan, the youngest national award winner, an inspiration for many youngsters here, will sing a song as a guest artist. We have to thank Varuna Bhagavan. Give him a big clap. For keeping the weather most conducive without drenching us. Now let us get drenched in the music of 11,000 people who have assembled here. Thank you.
I'd just like to brief the fundamental values of the Ganathon theme, which is conserve forest and protect wildlife, preserve ecology, sustain environment, inculcate family and human values, foster women's honor, instill patriotism. Based on these 6 themes, the songs for this great event has been devised. We will be beginning this wonderful, great, one-of-its-kind event with the song Maitrim Bhajata. Maitrim Bhajata is a benediction by Jagadguru Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati Swamigal of Kanchi Kamakoti Peetham. It was rendered by Bharat Ratna Dr. M.S. Subbulakshmi on October 23rd, 1966, on the occasion of the United Nations Day. This song has been set to tune by Sri Vasant Desai. A very brief gist of the song I would like to give to you so that we sing the song with much more feeling and emotion when we understand the lyrical import of it. It says, Cultivate friendship and humility, which will conquer the hearts of everyone. Renounce war, forsake competition, give up aggression. Mother Earth yields all that we desire. She gives us all the things that we desire. God our Father is very compassionate to all. Practice restraint, donate your wealth to others, and be kind to others. May all people of this world be happy and prosperous. We now begin with the song Maitrim Bhajata. I will give you the lead for each song. As such, every song is set in a 4 tempo only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that will be the starting. I will be giving you the cue. And once that 4 is set, I request you all to pay attention and immediately start the song. And I also request you all to pay keen attention to the lead singers who are here, as well as the orchestra which will be giving the rhythm, so that we are in perfect harmony and unison. We begin now with Maitrim Bhajata. May I request all of you to stand up, please. One, two, three, four.
Maitrim Bhajata अखिल हृजेत्री मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजेत्री आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत त्यजत परेष्वक्रममाक्रमणम् त्यजत परेष्वक्रममाक्रमणम् मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजेते जननी पृथ्वी कामधुगास्ते जननी पृथ्वी कामधुगास्ते जनको देवः सकलदयाळु जनको देवः सकलदयाळु नाम्यतदा दयत्वं जनता नाम्यददात दयत्वं जनता श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां.
Thank you so much. May I request you all to be seated. I think that was a very divine and beautiful start, and I request you all to maintain the same energy, devotion and dedication while singing each and every song, because that is what is going to make the whole program very, very successful. The second song that we're going to render today is Ishavasyam Idam Sarvam. The IMCT modules rest on the comprehensive and highest human philosophy of Ishavasyam Idam Sarvam, meaning everything down to the tiniest atom, whether it is forest or wildlife, animal or plants, rivers or mountains, men or women, is manifestation of the divine, thus emphasizing the unity and harmony of the entire creation, which is India's gift to the world. May I request all of you to please stand up once again. I will be telling 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll be starting the song. And this slokam has been to be rendered thrice, which I'm sure all of you are aware. One, two, three, four.
ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वं यत्किञ्च जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीता मा गृहस्य सिद्धनम् ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वम् यत्किञ्च जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीता मा गृहस्य सिद्धनम् ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वम् यत्किञ्च जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीता मा गृहस्य सिद्धनम्.
Thank you. May I request you all to please be seated. The next song for this program is Jis Ghar Mein. It is a Hindi song, the lyrics of which is by Shri Akshay Jain and tuned by Shri Kuldeep Singh, emphasizing the unity in diversity in creation, the different samskarams designed specifically by IMCTF for the contemporary young, ingrain in them 6 environmental and human values of critical contemporary relevance for human world over. This song summarizes these concepts and portrays the salient features of a happy and harmonious family. May I request all of you to please stand up for the next song. One, two, three, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2.
जिस घर में मिट्टी मुल्तानी, जिस घर में मटके का पानी, जिस घर में तुलसी की पूजा, जिस घर में मीठा घर पूजा, जिस घर में दादी के किस्से उस घर के होवे, जिस घर में सुनने की आदत, जिस घर में सहने की ताकत, जिस घर में अथवा का अंधेरा, जिस घर में पंछी का फेरा, जिस घर में गीता रामायण, उस घर बरसे नकड़ नारायण, जिस घर में आटे की चक्की, जिस घर में ईंटें मोमबत्ती, जिस घर में नारी का मान, जिस घर में फूलों की शान, जिस घर में सूरज की किरणें, उस घर में खुशियों के झलके घर में चंपा के डाले, उस घर की भई बात निराले। जिस घर में चंपी का चल्ला, जिस घर में बच्चों का हल्ला, जिस घर में चूड़ी की घंघन, जिस घर में पायल की छन छन, जिस घर में मैना खजरारी, उस घर की महिमा न्यारी, उस घर की महिमा न्यारी, उस घर की महिमा न्यारी।
Thank you. Please be seated. The next theme is conserve forest and protect wildlife. Vriksha, tree as symbol and reverence to it as the samskaram for conservation of forest. Naga or snake as symbol and reverence to it as the samskaram for wildlife. We will be now presenting Vrikshavalli Amha. For this I will be again telling 1, 2, 3, 4 and after that we'll be starting the song. May I request all of you to please stand up. And I request you all to be standing up for the next song as well, which will come immediately after this. One, two, three, four.
वृक्षवल्लियाम्हा सोयरे वज्रे, वृक्षवल्लियाम्हा सोयरे वज्रे, पक्षिः सुस्वरे आलवीति, पक्षिः सुस्वरे आलवीति, येने सुखे रुचे एकांताचा वास, येने सुखे रुचे एकांताचा वास, नाही गुण दोष अंग एक, नाही गुण दोष अंग एक, आकाश मंडप पृथ्वी आसन, आकाश मंडप पृथ्वी आसन, रमे तेथे मान क्रीडा करी, रमे तेथे मान क्रीडा करी, कथा कमंडलू वेह उपचार, कथा कमंडलू वेह उपचार, जानवी गोबार अवसर, जानवी गोबार अवसर, पांडुरंगा 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 पांडुरंगा।
Please remain standing. The next song we'll be presenting is Digu 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 Naganna, in reverence to Naga or snake. I'll be again saying 1, 2, 3, 4 and we start the song. Be alert. One, two, three, four.
दिगु 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 नागा नागन्ना दिव्य सुंदर नागो, नागन्ना दिगु 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 नागा नागन्ना दिव्य सुंदर नागो, नागन्ना इललिकी मुगु पेट्टी, नागन्ना इंता मल्लेलु जल्ली, नागन्ना ದಿವ್ಯ ಸುಂದರನಾಗೋ ನಗನ್ನ ಡಿಗು 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 ನಾಗ ನಗನ್ನ ದಿವ್ಯ ಸುಂದರನಾಗೋ ನಗನ್ನ ವಾಮಾಲಂತ చేరి నగన్న బావి నీలకెళితే నగన్న బావిలో ఉన్నావా నగన్న బాలనాగునయ్యో నగన్న డిగు 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 నాగా నగన్న దివ్య సుందరనాగో నగన్న పిల్లలంత చేరి నగన్న పొల్లాలేరబోతే నగన్న పొల్లేలో ఉన్నావా నగన్న పిల్ల నాగువయ్యో నగన్న డిగు 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 నాగా నగన్న దివ్య సుందరనాగో నగన్న డిగు 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 నాగా నగన్న దివ్య సుందరనాగో నగన్న స్వాములంత చేరి నగన్న రేము నీలకెళితే నగన్న రేములో ఉన్నావా నగన్న బాలనాగువయ్యో నగన్న డిగు 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 నాగా నగన్న దివ్య సుందరనాగో నగన్న డిగు 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 నాగా నగన్న దివ్య సుందరనాగో నగన్న అటుకొండ ఇటుకొండ నగన్న నడుమ నముల కొండ నగన్న కొండల ఉన్నావా నగన్న కొడే నాగువయ్యో నగన్న డిగు 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 నాగా నగన్న దివ్య సుందరనాగో నగన్న డిగు 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 నాగా నగన్న దివ్య సుందరనాగో నగన్న డిగు 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 నాగా నగన్న దివ్య సుందరనాగో.
Thank you. Please be seated.
Pardon me for the interruption. A small announcement. The kalakendra.com, which we said will be web streaming, is already getting choked. So we have an alternative. Kindly note, in the Facebook page, there is a kalakendra.com page in Facebook. If you go there, there is a URL given specifically for this purpose. If you click that, you can have access to this live web streaming. I repeat, kindly go to Facebook kalakendra.com page and use the URL which is given specifically for Bharatiya Gaunathon. Thank you. Sorry for the interruption.
The next theme of our presentation today is Preserve Ecology. Go or cow, Gaja, elephant, and Tulasi as a symbol and reverence to them as samskaram for preservation of ecology. We'll be presenting 3 songs on this theme. Prabho Ganapate, a Tamil song by Saint Agasthyar as a Gajavandanam for love of elephants. Dandalu Dandalu in Telugu, a Govandanam as a reverence to cows. And Jai 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 Tulsi Mata, a song in Hindi which is a Vandanam for worshipping Tulsi. May I request all of you to please stand up, please, and to remain standing till all the 3 songs of these themes are completed.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Prabho Ganapate பரிபூரண வாழ்வருள்வாயே பிரபோ கணபதே பரிபூரண வாழ்வருள்வாயே பிரபோ கணபதே 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 ஆதிமூல கணநாத கஜானன அற்புத கமல ஸ்வரூபா ஆதிமூல கணநாத கஜானன அற்புத கமல ஸ்வரூபா
The next song, Dandalu Dandalu.
One, two, three, four.
దండాలు 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 యమ కుమారా మా అండా దండా నీవేనమ్మా గోమాతా దండాలు 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 యమ కుమారా మా అండా దండా నీవేనమ్మా గోమాతా మా అండా దండా నీవేనమ్మా గోమాతా తగినట్టి మెలుకే మా కడవ నిండా పాలు పోసినావు పిడికేడంత గడ్డి పరగకే నీవు గడప గడప పడి నింపినావు ఇంధనాల పొందు లేకుండా కాడెతులని మాకిచ్చినావు ఇంతకెందినావు మానదాని నావు ఎగరాల మన్నులు మీనావు దండాలు 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 యమ గోమాతా మా అండా దండా నీవేనమ్మా గోమాతా మనకి గోమాతే ఆధారమండి గోవుని కాపాడరండి గోవు లేకుంటే సాగని బండి అంతమవుతున్నాయి గోవులు మనమంతా రక్షించాలి రండి ఇంతమంది దేశ ప్రజలందరుండగా గోహత్యలు సిగ్గు చేడండి దండాలు 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 యమ గోమాతా మా అండా దండా నీవేనమ్మా గోమాతా దండాలు 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 యమ గోమాతా మా అండా దండా నీవేనమ్మా గోమాతా మా అండా దండా నీవేనమ్మా గోమాతా మా అండా దండా నీవేనమ్మా గోమాతా
The next song, Jai 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 Tulsi Mata. Again, I'll be saying 1, 2, 3, 4 and we start the song.
One, two, three, four.
जय 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 तुलसी माता 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 सब जग की सुखदाता वरदाता जय 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 तुलसी माता 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 सब योगों के ऊपर सब लोगों के ऊपर रज से रक्षा करके भवदाता जय 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 तुलसी माता 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 लेकर जन्म विजन में आई दिव्या भवन में मानव लोक तुम्हीं से सुख संपत्ति पाता जय 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 तुलसी माता 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 सब जग की सुखदाता वरदाता जय 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 तुलसी माता 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 जय 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 तुलसी माता
Thank you so much. Please be seated. The next theme of our program is Sustain Environment. Ganga River and Bhumi, Mother Earth, as symbols of reverence to them, a samskaram for sustaining environment. We'll be presenting 2 songs on this theme, Jogada Siri in Kannada, which is a Ganga Vandanam for celebrating water, and Kani Nilam Vendum Parashakti in Tamil, a composition of Mahakavi Subramanya Bharatiyar as a Bhumi Vandanam to Mother Earth. May I request all of you to please stand up for the songs. Please stand straight and alert and put in all your heart and soul into the singing, and that's going to make it very great. We start.
One, two, three, four.
ಜೋಗದ ಸಿರಿ ಬೆಳಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂಗಯತನ ಬಲುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ್ಯಾದ್ರಿಯ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿರವು ತುಂಗದಲೆಲುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಹರಿದ್ವರ್ಣವನದ ತೇಗ ಗಂಧ ತರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಇತಿಹಾಸದ ಹಿಮದಲ್ಲಿನ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನ ಮಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ರತ ಸಾಹಸ ಸಾರುತ್ತಿರುವ ಶಾಸನಗಳ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಲೆಗರಿಯ ಸಿರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದೇಗುಲಗಳ ಬೇಟೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಕುಲವೆಮ್ಮಯ ಸಿರಿಮಯೇ ಕುಲವೆಮ್ಮಯ ಗರಿಮಯೇ ಸದ್ವಿಕಾಲಶೀಲ ನುಡಿಯ ಲೋಕಾಮೃತ ಸೀಮಯೇ ಹೇ ಹರ್ಷದ ಹಲಗುದಾರ ಮಹಿಮೆಯೇ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಜೋಗದ ಸಿರಿ ಬೆಳಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಗಯತನ ಬಲುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ್ಯಾದ್ರಿಯ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿರವು ತುಂಗದಲೆಲುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಹರಿದ್ವರ್ಣವನದ ತೇಗ ಗಂಧ ತರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ
Please remain standing. Next song, Kani Nilam Vendum.
One, two, three, four.
காணி நிலம் வேண்டும் பராசக்தி காணி நிலம் வேண்டும் காணி நிலம் வேண்டும் பராசக்தி காணி நிலம் வேண்டும் அங்கு தூணில் அழகியதாய் நன்மாடங்கள் துய நிறத்தினவாய் அந்த காணி நிலத்திடையே ஓர் மாளிகை கட்டித்தர வேண்டும் அங்கு கேணி அருகினிலே தென்னை மரம் கீற்றுமிட நீரும் 10-12 தென்னை மரம் பக்கத்திலே வேணும் 10-12 தென்னை மரம் பக்கத்திலே வேணும் நல்ல முத்துச்சுடர் போலே நில ஒளி முன்பு வர வேண்டும் அங்கு கத்தும் குயிலோசை சற்றே வந்து காதிற்பட வேண்டும் என்ற சித்தம் மகிழ்ந்திடவே நன்றாயின தென்றல் வர வேண்டும் பாட்டு கலந்திடவே அங்கே ஒரு பத்தினி பெண் வேண்டும் பாட்டு கலந்திடவே அங்கே ஒரு பத்தினி பெண் வேண்டும் எங்கள் கூட்டுக்களியினிலே கவிதைகள் கொண்டு தர வேண்டும் அந்த காட்டு வெளியினிலே அம்மா நின்று காவலுற வேணும் என்ற பாட்டு திறத்தாலே வையகத்தை பாலித்திட வேணும் காணி நிலம் வேண்டும் பராசக்தி காணி நிலம் வேண்டும் காணி நிலம் வேண்டும் பராசக்தி காணி நிலம் வேண்டும் காணி நிலம் வேண்டும் பராசக்தி காணி நிலம் வேண்டும்
Request you to please be seated again. The next theme of our presentation is inculcate family and human values. Mata, Pita and Guru as symbols and reverence to them as samskaram for inculcating family values. First song to be present here is Mata, Pita, Guru Devam. This is a Malayalam song as a vandanam to parents. May I request all of you to please stand up once again. For this I'll be saying 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 and then we start. Okay.
1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5
माता पिता गुरुदेवं माता पिता गुरुदेवं माता पिता गुरुदेवं माता पिता गुरुदेवं ആയിൽ തുടങ്ങുന്നു ഭാഷ അമ്മയിൽ ഉണരുന്നു സ്നേഹം അറിവുകൾ പകരും നിരധ്യാപകൻ തണലായി നിറയുന്നിരച്ചൻ എന്നെ തളരാതെ കാക്കുന്നു ദൈവം ആയിൽ തുടങ്ങും നിരാശ അമ്മയിൽ ഉണരുന്നു സ്നേഹം അറിവുകൾ പകരും നിരധ്യാപകൻ തണലായി നിറയുന്നിരച്ചൻ നമ്മെ തളരാതെ കാക്കുന്നു ദൈവം നമ്മെ തളരാതെ കാക്കുന്നു ദൈവം മാതാപിതാ ഗുരുദേവം മാതാപിതാ ഗുരുദേവം മാതാപിതാ ഗുരുദേവം മാതാപിതാ ഗുരുദേവം മാതാപിതാ ഗുരുദേവം മാതാപിതാ ഗുരുദേവം.
Thank you so much. Please be seated. We'll now be having a solo presentation of a song, Yengal Thai. May I request all the other singers also, maybe they can take some rest. We have with us as our guest performer here today, Selvi Uttara Unnikrishnan. Please give her a big hand. She is the youngest recipient of the National Award for Female Playback Singer, and all of us know that she is the daughter of the renowned Carnatic as well as film musician, Sri Unnikrishnan. May I request Uttara to please come on stage to render the song Yengal Thai.
தொன்று நிகழ்ந்ததனைத்தும் உணர்ந்திட சுகலைவா புகழும். தொன்று நிகழ்ந்ததனைத்தும் உணர்ந்திட சுகலைவா நகலும். இவள் என்று பிறந்தவள் என் உணராதையல் இவளானிவதா. இவள் என்று பிறந்தவள் என் உணராதையல் இவளானிவதா. எங்கள் தாய் எங்கள் தாய் எங்கள் தாய் எங்கள் தாய். யாரும் வருத்தற்கரிய பிராயத்தராயினுமே எங்கள் தாய். யாரும் வருத்தற்கரிய பிராயத்தராயினுமே எங்கள் தாய். இந்த பாருள் என்னாலும் ஒரு கன்னிகை என்ற பயிர் வாழிவதாய். இந்த பாருள் என்னாலும் ஒரு கன்னிகை என்ற பயிர் வாழிவதாய். எங்கள் தாய் எங்கள் தாய் எங்கள் தாய் எங்கள் தாய். 30 கோடி முகமுடைய எங்கள் தாய் அவர் திண்மை மறையினும் தான் மறையாள் தம் சீருருவாள் எங்கள் தாய் எங்கள் தாய் எங்கள் தாய் எங்கள் தாய் எங்கள் தாய் தொன்று நிகழ்ந்ததனைத்தும் உணர்ந்திடு சுடலை வாழும் இவள் என்று பிறந்தவள் என்றுணராத இயல்பினலாம் எங்கள் தாய் எங்கள் தாய் எங்கள் தாய் எங்கள் தாய்.
Thank you, Uttara. The next song we're going to present is to foster women's honor, Penmai Vaalgindra, a Tamil song, again a composition of Sri Mahakavi Bharatiyar, a song to celebrate womanhood. May I request all of you to please stand up for this song. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we start the song.
One, two, three, four.
பெண்மை வாழ்வென்று கூத்திடுவோமடா பெண்மைகள் என்று கூத்திடுவோமடா தன்மை இன்பனர் புண்ணியம் சேர்ந்தனர் தாயின் பெயரும் சகி என்ற நாமமும் பெண்மை வாழ்வென்று கூத்திடுவோமடா அன்பு வாழ்கின்ற மைதியில் ஆடுவோம் ஆசை காதலை கை கொட்டி வாழ்த்துவோம் அன்பு வாழ்கின்ற மைதியில் ஆடுவோம் ஆசை காதலை கை கொட்டி வாழ்த்துவோம் துன்பம் தீர்வது பெண்மையினாலடா சூர பிள்ளைகள் தாய் என்று போற்றுவோம் துன்பம் தீர்வது பெண்மையினாலடா சூர பிள்ளைகள் தாய் என்று போற்றுவோம் பெண்மை வாழ் என்று கூத்திடுவோமடா பெண்மைகள் என்று கூத்திடுவோமடா தன்மை இன்பங்கள் புண்ணியம் சேர்ந்தனர் தாயின் பெயரும் சகி என்ற நாமமும் பெண்மை வாழ் என்று கூத்திடுவோமடா
Thank you. May I request you to be seated again. We have a very brief function to, of course, it's a great honor to have Srimati Aruna Sairam here as a guest of honor for this great event. May I request all of you to please give a very big hand to her and welcome her for this event. This function will be to felicitate some of the people who have worked tirelessly day and night to make this happen. First of all, we'd like to once again welcome our guest of honor, renowned musician Srimati Aruna Sairam, a Padma Shri awardee and vice chairman of Sangeet Natak Academy here today. India's renowned classical vocalist Padma Shri awardee Srimati Aruna Sairam is regarded as the musical ambassador of India for successfully taking Indian music to the global arena. She has dazzled audiences at prestigious musical venues in India and abroad around the world through her scintillating performances and refreshing approach. Srimati Aruna is one of those artists who has sensitized international audience to the sound and feel of South Indian vocal music. She was invited by the BBC Proms to perform at the Royal Albert Hall in 2011 as the first South Indian classical musician in the Proms history of 117 years. She's also been invited by the Carnegie Hall, New York, Le Theatre de la Ville, Paris, the Festival of World Sacred Music, Morocco, among many other prestigious venues globally. Her music has won her several awards and recognitions worldwide, and the awards and accolades are so many that it would be quite difficult for me to read it out now due to paucity of time. But I must make a mention of the great honor that the Government of India has bestowed on her, that is the Padma Shri Award and the Sangeet Natak Academy Award, presented in recognition of her distinguished contribution to Indian culture and society. We'd now like to honor Srimati Aruna Sairam before she addresses all the children here. May I request Sri Gurumurthy sir to please do the honors.
Namaskaram and pranams to all the 11,000 and more Shakti Swarupas sitting here this evening. We have to all realize that we are in a moment of creation of an unprecedented history here today, this very evening. And that history has been created by you, because you have come here. It needed a great mind like Gurumurthy sir to think about this and conceive of this. It needed a great individual like Padma Subramaniam ji to give it her force. It needed Radha Bhaskar ji and her eminent group of teachers to carry this forward. But ultimately, you are the one that made it happen. You deserve all the pranams and namaskarams. My father always used to tell me as a girl when I was your age and trying to sing and trying to express myself, he always said, remember every time you sing, for whom are you singing? Remember for whom are you singing? Why are you singing? So let us remember that, all of you. You have done it today. Your voice reached the heavens. It moved us to tears. We were completely melting in the sound of your music. This is why we are singing. This is why we are singing. Yes, it needs a lot of artistic skill. It needs a lot of intellect, but that is not the purpose of music. That is only the means to the end. But what is the end is what you have achieved. You have touched the hearts of everyone and the soul of everyone seated here. And that is the purpose of music, because when you do that, then we forget to be selfish. Today, whenever there is anything, we are asking, what is in it for me? Then after such music, we will say, what is in it for everyone? What is in this experience so that everyone can benefit? What can I do to help somebody? What can I give? My time, my effort, my love, or my money, or what can I do to help somebody? That way you are transforming the hearts of those who are listening to this music. That is why we are here. Let us understand the import of what is happening today. It is not just the musical skill. So I wanted to tell you a little story just to explain how our great saints and composer, they composed not for themselves. They composed these songs for the world. So there is this story when Sant Namadev, you know, he was completely lost in his music. They were a very poor family. There was barely enough to eat in the house. But he would go and sit in the Bhajana Matham in the end of the street of the village and he would sing Abhangas, Vittala, 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 Vittala. So one day, as usual, his wife prepared the food, the dried bhakri and little bit jaggery, vellam. To go with it, she packed it up in a cloth, took it to the Bhajana Matham. She gave it to Sant Namdev and said, please you eat and then sing. He said, no, 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 I am not hungry. I want to finish singing. So you keep it. But the children are at home. They have not eaten. I have not eaten. Unless you eat, how will I eat? Namdev said, no, go, please go. Attend to the children. I promise you, I will have my chapati after the bhajana. So she left. After some time, as they were singing, one dog came. It came and picked up that chapati. அது வாயில் கவ்விண்டு ஓடிப்போயிடுது. That dog just ran away with the chapati in his mouth. Namadev, who was singing, dropped everything, took something from that plate and ran after the dog. Why did he run? Nobody knew why he is running. But somebody went close. He's telling the dog, hey, Narayana, Narayana, இந்த வெள்ளத்தையும் சேர்த்து சாப்பிட்றா, அப்போ தான் உனக்கு டேஸ்டியாக இருக்கும்டா. நீ வெறும் ரொட்டியை சாப்பிட்டா உனக்கு வாய் ரொம்ப ட்ரையாக இருக்கும்டா. See, that is the purpose, to share Advaitam. This was practicing Advaita philosophy at its best. That means the same divinity which is in you, is in me, is in them, is in everyone here. Then where is the question of hating one another? Where is the question of being self-centered? It is only seva, seva and seva. So please, Shakti Swarupas to you, I pray that we are endowed, particularly the Shakti Swarupas, we are endowed with a natural predilection to love selflessly. That is inbuilt in us. That way we are privileged. Don't you think so? Don't you think so? Don't you agree with me? We are privileged because we are meant to love and to nourish everyone who is around us. We don't have to make an effort to do that. So please remember, we have to continue singing, spreading love, spreading affection, spreading seva, and keeping up our Sanatana Dharmam, which is the ultimate goal of very simple living and high thinking. Namaskarams to all of you, and my gratefulness to all the great people here for having invited me to be part of this great movement. Namaste.
We'll have just 2 more songs before we come to the end of the event. So may I request you all to please stand up again, and quickly we'll finish these 2 songs, and request all the schools and colleges students to please wait for just a few more minutes till we finish these 2 songs. Once again request you, sorry, to be please seated. A very, very brief function. Will just take a couple of minutes. I'm sure all of you would agree with me that a lot of hard work has gone into the making of this event, and there have been a few singers who have sung the track record which you got in the schools, the CD that was given to the schools to practice. So we'd like to quickly honor all those artists who have been a part of this music making. May I request Gurumurthy sir, trustee of the organization, to please honor these artists. First, Vidya Kalyanaraman. Suchitra Balasubramaniam. Vinaya. Sindhuja. Kritika Natarajan. Pratima Chaudhary. Amiya Samanvita. Miss Uttara Unnikrishnan, who gave the solo performance today. Shri T.S. Ranganathan of Surang Studio and Senthil, the sound engineer, who did a wonderful job of recording all the songs and circulating it to the schools for them to learn it. Now comes the most important person behind the whole event. I would call him the hero of the event rather. Isai Marle Ramji sir, the founder of Isai Marle Music Group. I just cannot express in words the kind of tireless work that he has done to make this program such a great one in terms of recording the songs, rehearsals, checking the rehearsals again with the school children, coming here for the audio check. Nothing, no stone was left unturned to see that this program becomes a historical event for posterity. Thank you, sir. I would like to just make a mention of the other orchestra artists here. Anjani on the veena, who gave the live, Sneha on the keyboard, and Akkar Rao on the tabla and rhythm band. May I request Rajalakshmi Ravikrishnan Madam, Vice Chairperson of Organizing Committee, to propose the vote of thanks, and after that, we'll just have 2 songs. We are very, very grateful to each of you for sparing your time and coming here to join the event. So please be patient for just a few more minutes so that there is a sense of completeness to the whole program by the participation of every one of you.
Good evening to all. The person who is behind and has slogged for all this, Mrs. Radha Bhaskar. She's representing Mudra. Thank you, Radhaka. Good evening to one and all here. I'm asked to give you vote of thanks, and which vote of thanks is not our tradition. So I express my gratitude for all your contributions to be a part of us in conducting this program, and I thank you wholeheartedly for being with us and being supportive to this. Mr. Ranganathan and Mr. Dinesh of Surang Studio, when myself and Sri Kandanji, when we met him, he said, the studio is yours and we are a part of you. This is how the whole thing started. So he also have joined the family of us in being a part of doing this program. And the schools and colleges, I'm forced to say some few names. The schools, PSBB Group, Vivekananda Educational Society, Shankara Group of Schools, GAV Adambakam, Ashan Memorial, Devi Academy, J. Gopal Garodia of Schools, Manilal Mehta, Balavidyalaya, KBJJ Gurukulam, and the colleges. The maximum contribution is from Session. More than 2,100 students have come from Session. So, and MOP Vaishnav, Chellamal, and Meenakshi College has given 1,000 students. So thank you for all the managements to be being with us. Maharshi Vidya Mandir, 500 students. And Gil Adarsh, Punjab Association Schools. And anyone, if I have left, my apologies, because the list is too long. And we have here more than 9,000 singers who have been with us, giving a tremendous life to this area. The divinity has flown through. And the press fraternity, which have been with us, the sound and music, I have to tell special acknowledgement to my brothers in Hindu Spiritual and Service Foundation, an initiative for Moral and Cultural Foundation, who has been tirelessly working for this. We've been working from the office but Srihari, Ganapati, and Hariharanji, Seshadriji, I can't list the names, but they have toiled to keep this place in such a wonderful manner. And the caterer who have been kind enough to help us, the sponsors, and one and all who have been with us. Thank you. Welcome to our family.
We just have 2 more songs. May I request you all to stand up with the same brightness and energy, because this is going to be a very grand finale to instill patriotism. Bharat Mata, Paramveer as symbols and reverence to them. Before that, I think all of us could very rightfully give ourselves a standing ovation, because this is not just singing, it is a celebration of our great Indian music, it's a celebration of our great Indian culture, which all of us should be really very, very proud of. We would like to also express our deepest thanks to the police force who have so ably managed the whole event for us, because without organizing anything properly, everything would have been chaotic. So we are very sincere to them. And of course, the media and press who have given extensive mileage to this event, because it's not just enough to be singing here. We have to reach it to many more people. And for that, we thank the media and the press and other people who have been a part of this event. We now present Kadam Kadam Badhaya Ja Hindi, a Paramveer Vandanam to those who have sacrificed their life for the nation. And of course, one of the most beautiful songs, Vande Mataram, a Bengali patriotic song by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, which he sang in 1876. It was composed. It is a Vandanam for worship of our motherland. We'll now be presenting Kadam Kadam after I say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की तो कौम पे लुटाए जा। कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की तो कौम पे लुटाए जा। कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, तू शेर हिंद आगे बढ़, बने से फिर भी तू न डर, उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर वतन बढ़ाए जा। कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की तो कौम पे लुटाए जा। कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, तेरी हिम्मत बढ़ती रहे, खुदा तेरी सुनता रहे, जो सामने तेरे अरे तो खाक में मिलाए जा। कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की तो कौम पे लुटाए जा। कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, चलो दिले पुकार के, गमी निशा संभाल के, लाल किले पे गाड़ के लहराए जा, लहराए जा। कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की तो कौम पे लुटाए जा। कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की तो कौम पे लुटाए जा। कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा।
Please remain standing for the grand finale, Vande Mataram. I'll be saying 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll finish with that song.
One, 2, 3, 4.
वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्। सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां, सस्यश्यामलां मातरम्, वन्दे
Thank you so much.